Every bottle of mayonnaise begins long before the mixing starts.
Premium ingredients are the foundation of every perfect batch.
Ensuring the highest quality, our refined vegetable oil is carefully transferred through this advanced network, maintaining its pristine golden condition.
Our strict incoming inspection process guarantees purity. Utilizing advanced chromatography, we meticulously analyze each sample in a sterile environment.
Every drop is monitored before production begins.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. These pasteurized egg yolks are immediately moved into our temperature-controlled warehouse to ensure freshness and quality. Temperature-controlled storage is essential. Here, pasteurized egg yolk is kept in optimal conditions. The emulsification capacity of the egg yolk is crucial for product stability. Our automated analyzers measure the
specialase. Our advanced filtration system uses multiple stages, including stainless steel filters and powerful UV modules.
The mechanical dispensing systems utilize advanced weighing technology, ensuring accurate ingredient dosing of salt, sugar, and various seasonings. Welcome to the future of fermentation. Our digital monitoring panels provide real-time acidity control, maintaining the ideal pH balance.
Our synchronized ingredient management system ensures flawless production from start to finish.
Automation is critical to maintaining our high standards. This robotic arm performs precise quality checks, sampling ingredients directly from the pipeline. By utilizing the SCADA interface, our technicians can review real-time quality metrics, ensuring every product meets our advanced sensors provide real-time data on temperature, pressure, and liquid levels, ensuring seamless operation. Every ingredient travels through a completely sealed system. This automated cleaning cycle utilizes turbulent flow to meet the strictest hygienic production standards, ensuring product integrity.
Deep within these chambers, the elements converge. We are ready for the next stage of production.
Through intelligent manufacturing systems, we monitor live ingredient inventory, tank capacity, and temperature across the entire automated process. Welcome to the future of ingredient preparation. Through advanced automation and synchronized robotics, we achieve unparalleled efficiency and precision. Every ingredient has a precise purpose.
Now the real transformation begins, where science turns simple ingredients into silky mayonnaise. With every ingredient approved, the science of emulsification can finally begin.
Water phase preparation, initial fill, monitoring flow rate and purity, automated temperature stabilization.
With servo-controlled valves and digital flow meters, we guarantee precise acidity control down to the milliliter. The feeders dispense the exact amount of sugar and salt, precisely controlled by the PLC system.
Gentle mixing ensures every ingredient dissolves evenly. As the golden liquid flows, we can appreciate the role of lecithin, often called nature's emulsifier, in maintaining this perfect consistency. The key here is lecithin, found in the egg yolk. It acts as an emulsifier, allowing the oil and water to finally combine. In this environment, digital precision is everything. We monitor ingredient ratios and flow rates across the entire facility, ensuring perfect consistency.
Oil must enter gradually for perfect emulsification.
Observe the elegant ribbons as the oil disperses slowly through the viscous liquid, a perfect example of controlled fluid dynamics. With increasing velocity, the components are homogenized. This is the crucial stage where the pre-emulsion begins to form. The key to forming a stable emulsion is the high shear force applied by the mixer, breaking the oil into fine particles dispersed throughout the continuous phase. Continuous monitoring ensures the stability of the mixing process. The probes maintain the vessel precisely at the target temperature.
Temperature stability is paramount. This automated heat exchanger ensures the mixture remains at the ideal 80.
As you can see, the combination of our sanitary pump and the inline sensor provides unmatched process stability, holding the pressure steady at 50 psi.
The transformation has already begun.
Notice how the mixture clings to the stainless steel. The viscosity is rising steadily, transforming the liquid into a silky, thick paste.
Automation is redefining precision engineering. The stabilization metrics confirm the success of the adjustment sequence.
Every movement is precisely timed.
The pre-emulsion is now being transferred to the homogenization unit. This critical step ensures a uniform and stable product.
Now the most powerful machine in the factory takes over. In just seconds, millions of oil droplets will become one perfectly smooth mayonnaise. Now the real transformation begins.
Behold the heart of the factory. The giant high-shear homogenizer accelerates, ready to process the future. The rotor spins at thousands of RPMs, creating intense hydrodynamic shear within the narrow gap of the precision stator. Entering the rotor-stator gap, the powerful mechanical forces cause instantaneous droplet reduction, resulting in a fine, uniform emulsion. The homogenizer creates a stable emulsion by reducing the oil to billions of microscopic droplets, ensuring even dispersion. The texture becomes smoother with every second. The vacuum homogenization process removes trapped air, creating a perfectly smooth emulsion. This improves both consistency and stability.
The vacuum process eliminates air pockets, resulting in a noticeably improved texture and superior product stability.
Our intelligent process control system continuously fine-tunes rotor speed, pressure, and flow rates in real time, ensuring unparalleled stability and efficiency.
Precision manufacturing demands constant vigilance. The AI optimized the flow perfectly. Look at the stability across all parameters now.
By circulating the product continuously through the homogenization loop, these high-pressure pumps ensure efficient and sterile processing. The secret to our mayonnaise is the homogenization process, resulting in this incredibly smooth, glossy, and silky consistency. The homogenization line operates with unparalleled stability, thanks to continuous monitoring by our precision. By precisely controlling the temperature around the homogenizers, we ensure optimal processing conditions and product stability. Homogenization is key to stability. By reducing the oil droplets to a microscopic size and coating them with emulsifiers,
Perfect texture is no accident.
we are now entering the final inspection stage, ensuring the mayonnaise meets all quality standards before bottling.
Every batch must now prove its quality. This is the future of food engineering, a symphony of stainless steel and synchronized precision, bringing quality to your table.
The consistency is simply unmatched, draping perfectly every single time.
Technology guarantees consistency in every batch. Before a single bottle is filled, every batch must pass the factory's strictest quality tests. Every batch must prove its quality before moving forward. The robotic arm collects the sample directly from the pipeline, guaranteeing contamination-free analysis. This ensures the highest level of product safety. This process guarantees complete batch traceability, ensuring the integrity and safety of the entire supply chain. As the spindle rotates slowly through the sample, the viscometer measures the torque. This allows us to determine the precise viscosity of the mayonnaise in centipoise. Maintaining precise acidity, as shown by this reading, is essential for the mayonnaise's stability and quality control. Scanning sequence initiated. Analyzing the LAB values against the control. Consistency verified.
As you can see, the consistency is perfectly uniform. It has a smooth, glossy appearance and excellent draping qualities.
The stability testing chamber allows us to evaluate the shelf life of the mayonnaise under various temperature conditions, ensuring product quality.
Centrifugation allows us to measure emulsion stability by applying extreme G-forces. As you can see, this mayonnaise sample shows excellent resistance to separation.
A stable emulsion means lasting quality.
Maintaining the sterile field is paramount. We carefully break the vacuum seal and transfer the sample aliquot to the labeled dish, minimizing any risk of contamination. Our automated systems provide comprehensive safety verification, processing thousands of microbiological quality tests every day to ensure your food is safe. Monitoring critical parameters like viscosity and pH in real time ensures total quality management. The data confirms the batch is approved. Flavors. Our integrated manufacturing systems analyze thousands of data points every second, optimizing efficiency and ensuring only perfect batches move forward. From the mixing vats, the mayonnaise is channeled directly to packaging, ensuring a sterile and efficient transition to the bottling lines. Inside the pipeline, our silky smooth mayonnaise flows under the strictest sanitary conditions, guaranteeing freshness and quality.
Precision and safety work hand in hand.
In this state-of-the-art facility, we are revolutionizing food safety. Precision engineering meets scientific rigor to protect the global food supply.
Only the purest ingredients, guided by unparalleled precision, make it to the automated filling hall. Now the perfectly tested mayonnaise is ready to be bottled with incredible precision.
Approved mayonnaise now enters the fastest stage of production. The automated system precisely aligns hundreds of bottles per minute, ensuring a steady, upright feed onto the main conveyor belt. Welcome to the air rinse cleaning station. Here, filtered air removes microscopic particles, ensuring hygienic bottle preparation for food-grade use.
Our state-of-the-art ultraviolet tunnel ensures every bottle meets the highest sterile packaging standards before filling. Every bottle receives the exact programmed volume.
With flawless synchronization, our state-of-the-art facility processes hundreds of bottles every minute, maintaining the highest standards of quality and output.
Our precision servo-controlled system adjusts flow rates dynamically, ensuring high-speed accuracy without ever stopping the line.
Our precision nozzles ensure a perfectly smooth, velvety cascade every time, demonstrating unparalleled clean filling performance. Our induction sealing technology provides a tamper-evident foil seal, locking in freshness and ensuring product integrity from our line to your home. Satisfying sound of precision engineering. Our machines apply labels with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring your brand stands out, bottle after bottle. This is our automated case packing solution. The robotic pick-and-place system precisely organizes the finished bottles into cases, streamlining the entire production line. As the boxes move down the line, our automated system seals and verifies each shipment, ensuring peak logistical efficiency and accuracy before transit.
Automation completes every shipment with unmatched accuracy. The journey continues as every pallet prepares to travel from the factory to kitchens around the world. The journey doesn't end at the bottling line.
Our autonomous AGV system utilizes laser guidance to navigate the warehouse floor, ensuring smooth and efficient transport of goods like this pallet of mayonnaise. Our intelligent navigation systems allow these AGV robots to cross busy intersections in perfect synchronization, ensuring maximum efficiency.
This automated system ensures every cubic foot is utilized, maximizing storage efficiency across the warehouse. Our automated systems ensure flawless placement, streamlining global logistics with pinpoint precision.
Every pallet has a precise destination.
The warehouse management system provides a real-time 3D visualization of our entire inventory, optimizing logistics and streamlining the supply chain.
Utilizing both barcode and RFID technology, our system provides real-time product tracking.
Our system automatically applies FIFO logic, selecting the earliest received inventory for immediate shipment.
Through intelligent order fulfillment, the system deploys the ASRS robot. It identifies, retrieves, and prepares the exact. This is how we achieve seamless logistics, with every sensor and roller working in perfect harmony. Even in this highly automated environment, human oversight is essential to maintain the seamless flow of outbound orders. Utilizing high-speed rotation, the stretch film tightly secures the pallets, ensuring maximum load stability and protection throughout the transportation process. Automatic pallet labeling ensures accurate shipment identification. The system prints high-resolution barcodes and applies them instantly, streamlining your logistics workflow. In outbound logistics, precision is everything. Our electric fleet ensures your mayonnaise arrives exactly when and where it's needed.
Spanning the continent, our logistics network ensures that these doors are the gateway to reliable, nationwide distribution, 24 hours a day. Every shipment begins a new journey.
From this terminal, goods like these pallets of mayonnaise begin their journey across the globe, reaching new markets efficiently.
Across oceans and continents, the global supply chain keeps us connected.
From factory to store shelves with uncompromising quality.
From our facilities to your home, we apply rigorous standards of quality to elevate your everyday salad and sandwich.
Behind every bottle is an extraordinary journey, powered by science, automation, and precision engineering. What looks like a simple sauce is actually an incredible achievement of modern engineering.
Emulsification occurs when two immiscible liquids, like oil and water, are forced together. In mayonnaise,
without emulsification, mayonnaise simply couldn't exist.
The secret is in the fold. See how the silky ribbons cascade, proving that nothing is smoother or creamier than this.
Operating at peak velocity, the homogenizer utilizes extreme shear to create a uniform emulsion, visualized here by these microscopic spheres. 24 hours a day, the cycle continues. This facility is the heartbeat of our operation, ensuring continuous output and unmatched reliability.
This is the pinnacle of modern food manufacturing, a symphony of steel and technology working in perfect harmony.
Our smart automation systems monitor every variable in real time, ensuring peak efficiency and predictive maintenance. The real-time analysis shows we've maintained perfect consistency.
Excellent. The new process is a success.
Continuous quality monitoring across all production lines. Our automated clean-in-place system ensures that all pipelines are thoroughly sanitized between production cycles, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene. Rigorous quality verification is central to our process, ensuring precision in viscosity and pH levels before final inspection. Utilizing advanced AI, our intelligent logistics system ensures seamless movement of thousands of products through these towering automated racks.
Technology connects factories with millions of kitchens worldwide.
From the factory floor to the brightly lit aisle, the final retail destination for America's favorite mayonnaise is right here.
Factory precision meets the warmth of your kitchen. A perfect spread, the foundation of every great meal.
A perfect ribbon of creamy consistency, slowly cascading over the vibrant textures of the fresh salad.
Every bottle carries the work of science, engineering, and skilled professionals. As the sun sets on another day, our journey continues. The trucks roll out. Innovation transforms simple ingredients into everyday perfection. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our state-of-the-art facility.
Subscribe to Shyn Factory for more incredible journeys inside the world's most advanced food factories.